Yeah, let me see. Pick them up. What's up, everybody? No setup video, no getting stuck in the driveway, all that. Just straight to starting our smash burgers with some tater tots. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Look at that mood, huh? Normal setup. Zenbivy, she took my sleeping bag. So yeah, I got my nice lavender. Is that lavender? Yes.
Lilac.
I always get lavender and lilac mixed up. Lilac. It's not that I'm colorblind. I actually just don't know my colors.
I don't know that one.
But either way, that's my beautiful bag that I'm using because she stole my yellow.
No, because you're
black
a
one.
sweet person.
Yeah, I guess because I'm a sweet person.
Oh, no.
Wood stove. Other bumming news. I cracked the glass, man. The front glass. This is a second wood stove that I cracked the bottom glass on. And I don't know if it's from when I'm like emptying it out to put it away.
Oh shit, you said you had this on like super low, man.
Or if it's like a wet piece of wood. You guys want to see what failure looks like? That's it right there. Somebody burned them bad boys.
Somebody told me that the grill was on
burned
low.
them. Blame it on me.
The grill's on low.
Blame it on me.
Oh, it's your fucking fault.
Me. They blamed it on me. But it's okay. I think they look great, to be honest with you. Alright, leave a comment if you think that looks burnt.
They're fine.
Or if that looks fine.
They're fine. Here, get some.
You are a little moody one, huh?
Nope.
The cheese. Put the cheese on. Cheese, Tom.
It's delicious.
I'm not doing the whole cut in half thing, but those right there.
The cunt and a half?
Cunt and a half.
Cunt and a half. Cunt. You didn't say a bad word.
I did not. They're bad. Alright, we're gonna check out, this is the Anker Solix 300. It's the AC version. So, got like a little light on it here. Go up and down. Got a 12 volt cigarette light you can turn on. And then we got a little after midnight. Looks like it's 12 degrees outside. 66 in the tent. Okay, ready. Just filled up the wood stove. Hopefully I'll go to bed in 10 minutes and I'll wake up at 7 a.m. and the wood stove will still be going. It'll be nice and warm in here. All magical. Alright, good night, guys.
Actually, I'll wait on you.
It's like 9 a.m. Running those strip lights up there for the weekend off this battery. So far, we are at 83%. Check in later. That's what happens when you leave your milk outside camping. Clumpy milk. It looks like it's curdled.
It's so
like it's rotten.
My
milk.
coffee's not. I got iced coffee now.
I'm using.
Looks like a latte.
I'm using creamer. That's too. Yeah. Beautiful out. Look at that. Got the fire going. Got the truck up the driveway. Egg sandwiches on. Some custom bagels. Wood stove going. Beautiful mess. Beautiful life.
I love it.
Bam.
I'll need a little milk. See that? 40 degrees out.
Almost spring.
Huh?
It's almost spring.
I forgot how quick it goes.
No, not yet.
Okay. That's good. That's good for me. And that's why we gotta get cups, because these ones, and that's why I can't do oatmeal. See how that cup bent?
Alright, I'm back. I've been doing this test with this Anker 300 to see how long it'll last. So, got up here Friday. It's using about 7 watts. I've been running this LED strip all day. And then at night, I turn it to red as like a night light so I can feed the wood stove easier. I just wanted to see if it was like worth it and it'll last the whole entire weekend. And now we're at 54%. Alright, so it uses 3 watts on red, and then I think it uses 7 watts on white. And we're at 54%, and tonight is our last night. We're gonna stay here an extra night. So we're gonna actually like start like plugging other things into it. I don't really know what we're gonna plug into it yet, but alright. What we're gonna do is we're gonna power up the cigarette lighter here. And I got a little humidifier that was the wood stove and the diesel heater. So now that little guy is being powered to. So now we're at 12 watts. It says it'll last 8 hours. So I don't know. I guess we'll come back in 8 hours and see where we are. Good morning, everybody. Got the 2 little solar panels out there. Got the Shade Stopper 100, the Renogy 250. Looks like I'm getting 22 watts from the Renogy 250. And it looks like I'm getting 21 watts from the 100 watt. Wow. So that's kind of crazy, huh? That little Shade Stopper is pretty impressive. So I'm getting the same wattage. Yeah, 25, 23. 100 watt panel. And a 250 watt panel producing the same wattage. It's crazy. Alright, so we are at 48%. So what we're gonna do is we're going outside, so we're actually gonna take this guy. We are gonna bring it over to here because this one is at 86%. So we're gonna flip that up. And then we're gonna put this one, that one, and just gonna remember that's at 48%. We will see what it is at when we come back in. Now set up here. Solar stove. Got a little Shade Stopper here. Got a little Anker battery. That's what. 42.8. Let's see. It's like the little setup I got. Like a little wall blocking the wind. Solo stove. Like so try to get the solar panels out. Beautiful things are finally melting after a month of single digits. Let's see. Got my other Anker battery at 52%. Yeah, Melissa stole my sleeping bag. I got hers. I kind of love it. I'll tell you right now, man. Humidifier. When you're using a diesel heater and a wood stove, that is a game changer right there. Also to this table. Let's see. The Philly. Really nice table. Yeah, it's so beautiful up here. It's like the first nice day in like over a month. And the sun's poking out. Yeah, this is a really cool little setup that we got here. We're gonna try to stay out until it gets dark out tonight. Peace.